Have you ever pondered what lies beyond the known universe? What secrets does the cosmos hold that we've yet to uncover? Welcome to a journey into the great unknown, a voyage into the depths of the cosmos and, in turn, into the depths of our own souls. Picture, if you will, the vast expanse of the cosmos, a celestial ballet where galaxies pirouette in an endless dance. It's here that our journey begins, aboard a spacecraft designed to traverse the uncharted territories of space. "This is the moment we've trained for," says the captain, a beacon of resolve amidst the sea of stars. The frontier of the unknown awaits. As we venture further into the cosmos, we encounter an anomaly, a blip on the vast cosmic radar that sends our sensors into a frenzy. "Captain," warns the navigator, "we're entering an uncharted anomaly. Sensors are going haywire." It's an unexpected twist in our cosmic journey, an unforeseen challenge in the quest for discovery. But the anomaly is more than just a cosmic oddity, it's a mirror reflecting our past. "These are echoes of our memories, Captain," observes the astrophysicist. "It's like we're reliving moments from our past. It's a cosmic maze, a labyrinth of past experiences and emotions that we must navigate together." In the face of this cosmic riddle, we confront not just the mysteries of the universe, but also our inner demons. "We must face our inner demons together," asserts the captain, "or we'll be lost in this cosmic maze." It's a poignant reminder that the journey into the cosmos is as much a journey inward as it is outward. As we journey deeper into the cosmos, we witness the fabric of space and time, the threads that weave the cosmic tapestry. "We've witnessed the fabric of space and time," marvels the crew, "and in doing so, we've discovered the depths of our own humanity." It's a profound revelation, a testament to our capacity for discovery and understanding. Our journey concludes with a profound realization. In the pursuit of the unknown, reflects the captain, we not only discover the mysteries of the cosmos, but also the mysteries within ourselves. This then is the essence of our stellar Odyssey. It's a voyage into the cosmos that reveals the depths of our humanity, the capacity for discovery that lies within us all. And with that, we bid you adieu. But the cosmos is vast, and our journey has only just begun, so stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Voiceover. As we say farewell, we invite you to dive deeper into the cosmos with us. The universe is a grand tapestry, woven with mysteries that we've only begun to unravel. Each star, each galaxy, each nebula holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Our journey today has taken us through the vast expanse of space, confronting anomalies, echoes of the past, and even our inner demons. But we've only explored a fraction of the universe's grandeur. There's so much more out there, just waiting to be discovered. Let's delve into the theories that seek to explain the cosmos. From the Big Bang Theory, explaining the birth of our universe, to the multiverse theory, suggesting an infinite number of universes beyond our own. These theories, while not definitive, provide us with a framework to understand and appreciate the vastness of the cosmos. Our journey into the cosmos is not just a journey of discovery, but also one of self-discovery. As we explore the universe, we also explore ourselves, our place in it, and our role as sentient beings capable of understanding and appreciating its beauty. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And so, we encourage you to keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep reaching for the stars. Remember, the universe doesn't keep its secrets to itself. It shares them with those who dare to look and wonder. So, until our next journey, keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. And remember, the universe is always ready for you to explore. Thanks for joining us on this stellar odyssey. We'll see you next time, Space Explorers.